afternoon, and for today's video, we are going to 88 Resorts. It's been a while. Nakailang beses na akong naka-visit sa 88 Resorts, but I keep coming back because ang sarap kasing mag-relax, mag-staycation doon. Gusto kong kumain ng seafoods for today. Samahan nyo ako this afternoon. So yeah, see you guys! Birthday. Tinan mo yung height. Look at the height. So we're here. So excited. Okay, so dito naman tayo ulit sa villa. Bed namin ni Seth and ni Ate Kay. And sa kabila si Kyler and Chin. Adobong pusit, and then buttered shrimp. So here's the food, guys. Okay, so this is dinakdakan.
Yummy!
Seafood rice. We have here buttered shrimp. Ito, Batangas. Ginataang sitaw at kalabasa. And my favorite pusit.
They're swimming.
The ducks.
Ducks swim.
Ang aming seafood boy. Magaling maghimay ng hipon. Sarap. Solid. Ice cream mode sila.
Fish ice cream. There's a berry here. Let me just see the difference.
Ano, get na ba?
Ay, wow! And yeah, this is a very fulfilling overnight stay, and babalik kami dito ulit for sure. Yung medyo matagal na yung stay. But yeah, thank you so much for watching our vlog for today, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Love.